Model and actress Arshi Khan has once again hit the headlines for the wrong reasons. A few topless photos of the controversial diva has surfaced on social media. Arshi apparently suffered a wardrobe malfunction during a recent photo shoot, following which the topless photos got leaked online. According to a report in India News Network, Arshi Khan suffered the wardrobe malfunction when she was shooting for a print catalogue garment in Mumbai. The report also stated that Arshi, who is one of the expected contestants of the upcoming show Bigg Boss 9, was unaffected by the incident and immediately resumed the photo shoot. However, she later took to Twitter to say that it is an invasion of her privacy and claimed that she has no idea where the topless photos came from. Do not know where these pics have leaked from. This is an invasion of my privacy, tweeted Arshi Khan. There has not been any confirmation on the authenticity of the leaked pictures. Arshi Khan has been in multiple controversies in the recent times. Earlier, she accused self-styled godwoman Radhima of running a sex and hawala racket, for which the actress will reportedly drag Radhima to court. Later, the Indian model made headlines by stating on Twitter that she has had sex with Pakistani cricketer Shahid Afridi. Kunal Khemu starrer Guddu Ki Gun has one of Bollywood's most ludicrous and amusing plots, if not the most ludicrous we have seen so far. In the trailer of Guddu Ki Gun, Khemu plays the Bihari player who does washing powder ka vyapar aur bhabhiyon se pyar. In other words, Khemu's character is a womanizer who seduces married women. Sounds semi-normal so far, doesn't it? Well, in the movie, the shenanigans of Khemu's character gets so bad that God turns his character's penis to gold. Yes, you heard that right. The film revolves around the gold genitals of a man. And if you thought it couldn't get more ridiculous, everyone from the media to the mafia is after those gold genitals. क्योंकि आपने इतनी लड़कियों के साथ है खेला, ऊपर वाले ने golden का कर दिया है आपका केला. A character says in the movie. The Hate Story franchise is expanding, with the third film being shot for. And if on the set reports of the film are any indication, then temperatures are set to rise. A news portal report claims that things got pretty messy while shooting for the intimate scenes of the film. Apparently, the film's unit was shooting at a location in Malwani. The scene being shot for was an intimate encounter between Sharman Joshi and Zareen Khan. Reportedly, the two had to lick chocolate off each other's face. Considering the heat from the camera lights, the makeup artist had a tough time plastering chocolate on the actors and keeping the consistency as required before the shot was locked. Needless to say that the resulting mess wasn't too pleasant. बिग बॉस का एक पैटर्न है कि जिसमें अलग अलग क्षेत्र के सेलिब्रिटीज बुलाए जाते हैं। शो में एक विदेशी बाला, एक LGBT कंटेस्टेंट, एक टीवी स्टार, एक मॉडल जरूर होते हैं। सनी लियोन ने शो में अडल्ट स्टार का चलन शुरू किया था और अगर सूत्रों की माने तो इस साल की पॉर्न स्टार होंगी मिया खलीफा। मिया की गिनती टॉप पॉर्न स्टार्स में होती है। वो लेबनान में जन्मी है और सोशल मीडिया पर बहुत एक्टिव रहती हैं। सनी लियोन के इस शो का हिस्सा होने का मकसद था अडल्ट इंडस्ट्री के लिए लोगों की सोच को खोलना। India's one and only well-known art nude model Ishika Bora shot with Lynn Baxter Photography for Playboy magazine last week, Bollywood portal reported. And yes, Ishika has posed completely nude. Playboy features all models nude and it seems Ishika shot an art nude concept with the well-known international photographer Lynn Baxter. In fact, even Lynn Baxter officially announced the shoot on his official Facebook page, Lynn Baxter Photography. While the photographs of the shoot cannot be released before they appear in Playboy, Lynn Baxter released one photograph from the shoot for the media. Ishika Bora is a Mumbai-based model and actress and one of the few dare-to-bear art nude models. She recently posed completely nude in the buff or stark nude for a fashion calendar shoot. The photographs were shot for DJ Frank Franklin for an international project. I have absolutely no problem posing nude, Ishika Bora tells us when we asked her about her nude calendar shoot, adding it was a professional shoot and the entire production team was very professional, she said.